Hey guys, Alyssa here with Outdoor Wicked Adventures. Just some fun fishing for some goldeye, mooneye, whatever the heck they are, but they ain't skipjack. So, didn't plan on filming today, but actually we're on number 3, so I figured, hey, if we're on a roll, may as well see how many we could get. Oh man, it's gonna be like pretty much impossible almost for me to try and film this and actually get the fish, but I think we did. There he is. You decent one. Hey, join the club, bro. Number 4. Let's keep counting. Bye, little critters. Oh crap. Ah. Yup. I went to go get bags to go fishing, and my bobber's gone. And I'm out of breath. And I don't know how we're gonna catch this fish because unless it's hooked. Oh my goodness, what a freaking hot mess I am. But we're fishing. Oh no. This is like the worst freaking YouTube ever filmed. But okay. Come on, flip it. Number 5. Let's bag them up. What in the tarnation? Dude, it looks like Minnow's with me, but she ain't. Freaking fish flying everywhere. Knocking over the worms. Worms are running off. Oh man, we're in trouble. All right, check this out, guys. These like these. Oh, come on now. Reminds me of like Predator versus Alien type stuff. Interesting. Oh my gosh, more messes. This is why don't trust me to do this crap. Oh my goodness. Let me get, well, maybe that fish will still be on there. Maybe not. Maybe we'll actually get this untangled. But, gosh, why do I do this, you guys? Freaking idiot. Hey, that bobber's like, can't even see it. But I can't actually believe, so I went to get Jeremy's rod out too, because why not? I'm having to look. So I went to go put 2 rods out. Yeah, I'm still getting this stick out. This is why everyone makes fun of me, is my sense of urgency is not on point, but oh my gosh. All right, let's try this again. Okay, so I don't even know how that fish would still be on there at this point because that took me freaking way too long to, yeah, no, there ain't no fish. But I'm super shocked that even like got a fish because it was super shallow. So got my other line. Sweet. Get those back out there. I got off too. Oh my gosh. All right, I've really got to freaking start figuring out the GoPro thing. I think it's time for me to start learning how to wear one instead of just this phone business. Darn it. All right, let's try again. I was just tired of fumbling with my camera and losing fish. So, I actually got one on Jeremy's finally, but I fumble because I reel right-handed. Oh my gosh. And he reels left-handed. Number 7, sweet. Alrighty, we got numero 8 in the bag. Come on. This is number 9. And he a good one. Woo. Yay, number 9. Catching kind of an attitude out here because I lost more fish than I caught. And that one just slapped me in the face. But I'm having a freaking blast, you guys. Okay, number 11. I need one more and I'd be so satisfied. I could take off of here and go, maybe we'll see if we can show you guys how we package it up. So, all right, one more, guys. Cross your fingers. All right, Oh, can we get him? Ah! If we got him, this will be my last fish for today. I will be so extremely happy to take 12 of these Goldeye back to Jeremy. Yes! Yes! All right, guys, I have quite a mess going on here of fish. So I'm gonna go ahead and get them in my bucket, back to the car, explain a little bit about how today went because I didn't do a very good intro video. And then maybe we'll go get them, what's that, sealed? Hey guys, okay, I'm back at the car. I have my 12 fishes in the bucket. Why I got trainers, I ran up here in a panic and grabbed Ziploc bags instead of the bucket. It's beyond me. But we got them in the bucket now. Gotta go pick up kids from school. So I'm gonna grab the rest of the crew. This last adventure we went on, we ran into some bait issues, so it's always nice to have some in the freezer, you guys. So, all right, we'll check back soon. Oh, wow, what are we doing? Oh, we're taking the fish out of the bucket and putting them back in the bags. Minnie, why did I decide to do it the most hardest, difficult, most craziest way ever? I don't know, but I'm gonna get these in the bags, in the fridge, and then we're gonna go back out there and see if we can't catch some more and be better prepared this time. It should be hopefully even a better bite because it'll be closer to dinner time. We'll see. I wanted to use the box. There was this fish in my fridge. The boys will love that one.